everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dede, the mom, the boss. How are y'all doing? I hope you're doing good. Today is another special video, day 5 of our mother vloggers challenge. Guys, I am enjoying this so far. So today we are making lunchables. It could be dinner, you could use this for anything, daycare, school, whatever. And I try to involve the kids while doing this because it helps them eat better, especially if they're interested. Daniela in particular is always interested in stuff like this, so I involve them. This can help you if your kids don't like eating. So if you would like to see what I put together today, or we put together today, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, let's get into this recipe. This is literally muffins that we are gonna make. We're gonna make what's this called, blueberry muffins. And Daniela loves to be part of stuff like this, and I feel like it helps them eat better. I cannot overemphasize on that. You guys tell me, do you guys involve your kids when in the kitchen? How old are your kids? Are they interested? Because Daniela is really interested. Jaden is interested because Daniela is interested and he wants to be where she is. That's why he's here. But as I said earlier, this video is in collaboration with 5 other beautiful Cameroonian moms. We are just on a mom vlogging challenge, and we started on Monday. Today is day 5, and I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. We'll be going until Sunday, so we have 2 more days to go. Please do well to check each and every one of them out right after watching this video, because I'm sure you'll be amazed by the lunchables or lunch things they're gonna do. So Daniela insisted on doing this part by herself. I don't care the mess, just let them do it. If it's gonna be messy, it's them eating it, so they should do it. They should just do what they want to do. If they like doing it, just involve them. To me, I feel like that's what it is. It kind of takes longer for me sometimes because I have to bear with all her mistakes, all their messes. Like Jaden, you just see, like, Jaden cannot do anything without making a mess. In fact, Daniela as well sometimes. So yeah, and she just wanted to do this all by herself. Oh my goodness. Jaden, who did this? Who did this?
I don't know.
Who did that?
This is Jaden.
And who did that over there? Who did that?
Me.
Who did that?
Me.
You? And then who did this?
Huh?
Who did this?
Me.
Who did that?
Me.
You. Actually, today we're going to be doing 3 different types of lunchables. What we are doing right now takes the most time. The other 2 are really easy. We just wanted to make something interesting that the kids will love and will know that they are taking part in. So if you don't like this, stay tuned for the other 2. It's growing big?
Yeah. Can we eat this, Mommy?
What?
Can we eat the muffins?
Sure. When you're done, we can eat it. With Daniela, she's so interested in doing stuff herself that sometimes she doesn't ask. She goes and washes dishes. She comes here by herself, and it's really scary sometimes, so you have to really pay attention. If not, things are gonna go astray. Yep, so our muffins are ready. They are really a mess, but of course I'm sure they'll like it like this. You like it? At this point, Daniela was so enjoying it that she was done for the night. This was nighttime. She was done. Like, she was done. She wasn't going to help anymore. She was like, I love what I've done so far and I'm done. And she disappeared. All she did was come and take a little bit, eat and go, take a little bit, eat and go. As for Jaden, he was watching TV. He came and took one muffin or so. That's what he's interested in, things that are sweet. But yeah, this is how our first lunchable is supposed to be presented in the bowls. And I'm just doing it real quick so you guys can see what I'm doing. Let me use this opportunity to say thank you guys so much for all the love throughout this collaboration. I really appreciate you guys. For those of you that are just finding me for the first time, hi and welcome. Here we just have fun. Nothing is serious. We just have fun. So don't take anything you see here so seriously because it's fun, okay? Now I'm just getting the strawberries ready. These strawberries have been home for a while and you can see some of them were already getting bad. But yeah, I just want to show you guys. I mean, you can, this doesn't have to be all so many bowls because I think I have 5 bowls here. But tonight I was hoping they were going to eat 1 bowl each, and tomorrow they eat the bowl each, something like that. So yeah, that's why I have 5 bowls here. And the kids really love fruits. That I will not lie, they love fruits a lot. So I always have fruits at home, like always. So I have a variety. I can use you can use strawberries, you can use even blueberries, you can use pineapples that are chopped. I just did not have time for all of that, and my kids are not very big fans of pineapple. I think they really like this little finger fruits and all that. So yep. Now I'm using an apple to just put it in the other bowls that don't have the oranges, just for the sake of variety. You can put all 3 fruits if you want to. It just depends on your personal preference. And you can put a sauce that they can eat, the whatever that thing is called, that burrito or Dorito, whatever. But yeah. So here we have the very first bowl. Look at how juicy these fruits look. Daniela so loved it this night that she ate all of it. Jaden is interested in muffins and his fruits. That is it for him. So let's go over to the second one. This one is really quick. This, we have corn dogs. I'm just going to put corn dogs. I'll put some grapes and I'm going to put some oranges on the other side, and that is it for this bowl. If your kids just don't eat a lot and they like fruits as well, and you want them to eat kind of healthy, you can have corn dog and just have 2 different types of fruits or 3 different types of fruit depending on how much they like fruits, and they are going to enjoy it. And for kids that cannot really eat big fruit, you can chop these grapes up more. For the third recipe, I have this squeeze apple sauces and yogurt. So Daniela loves apple sauce, Jaden loves yogurt. So I use you can use snacks, like I have this Oreo snacks. I just put them in a Ziploc bag and take the yogurt or the apple sauce for each person, and that's it. You can put 2 of the Oreos or 2 of the apple sauces depending on how much the kids like them. So yeah, these are our 3 recipes, I would say. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, Please do well to subscribe, hit that notification bell after subscribing, share this video with friends and moms that are struggling with what to pack for their kids, and I hope this helps them out. What is in your mouth? Good job, baby. You finished? And you put so much food in your mouth. Why did you put so much food in your mouth? You like it? You do? You do.